When Ripple was created, it was thought to be giving a tough competition. Many speculations rose that the San Francisco-based payment company Ripple is going to replace the traditional SWIFT system. But now, the speculations are proving to be true, as according to the recent Arab news, RippleNet has been listed as a direct alternative to SWIFT. Now the question is whether Ripple is really going to replace SWIFT this year. What other countries are working toward replacing it, and what does the payment company have to say about this? Join us in today's video to find out the answers to all these questions. But before we get to it, welcome back everyone to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where you get your daily dose of XRP. If you like the content, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can know every time we upload a new video. Now without any further wait, let's get straight to the video. Pat White, CEO of Bitwave, once said, "Ripple was designed from the very beginning to essentially be a replacement for SWIFT, a leading money transfer network, or to otherwise replace the settlement layer between major financial institutions." This was years ago, but all this time on many occasions we saw the San Francisco-based payment company being the only sustainable option for replacing the decades-old system. However, in 2019, according to Ripple's head of global banking, Marjan Dalantine, Ripple and SWIFT are not competitors, but can be very complementary. "We are two different things. We are not replacing SWIFT, as SWIFT has its own value," she answered, adding that banks could take advantage of both. In many previous videos, we have talked about how, according to different surveys, the bank employees want to get rid of the traditional SWIFT and want Ripple to replace it, being faster, cheaper, and sustainable. Ripple, the fintech company, operates RippleNet, which is a platform that allows anyone to send and exchange cryptocurrencies as well as conduct cross-border transactions. This is what quickly established Ripple as a direct competitor to SWIFT. Recently, RippleNet has been listed as a direct alternative to SWIFT by an advisory group from the Arab Monetary Fund. On March 18th, the Arab Regional Fintech Group released a practical guide for Arab central banks interested in learning more about the nuances of the burgeoning digital asset market. Surprisingly, RippleNet was mentioned as a direct alternative to SWIFT in the report, not just once, but twice. Wrath of Conman, a Twitter user with over 30,000 followers, had shared his observations on the social media platform. The tweet reads, "Arab Regional Fintech Group report, Central Bank Digital Currencies, a practical guide for Arab central banks, mentions Ripple as an alternative system in two places." This development came after the working group recommended that Arab central banks use systems like SWIFT GPI, and more importantly, RippleNet to improve their messaging protocols. As reported by You Today, the paper also specifically named Ripple XRP as a unique cryptocurrency insofar as the first designed primarily for payments, in contrast to most crypto assets which were labeled as speculative stores of value. Including a direct link to Ripple's Future of CBDC report, the advisory paper clearly sees Ripple as having a serious role to play in the future blockchain-based global financial infrastructure. This was a positive development for Ripple, a fintech company that had suffered greatly as a result of the ongoing lawsuit. However, the timing of the development was intriguing. This came just 2 days after the Clearance House, a well-known Ripple partner, teamed up with Wells Fargo, an American multinational financial service company, to create a new instantaneous payment system to challenge SWIFT's dominance. We have also talked about this in one of our previous videos. Other than that, Ripple also became a part of an internationally renowned authority, Digital Euro Association, or DEA, to work on CBDCs. The mission was to contribute to the public and political discourse through research, education, and by providing a platform and community for policymakers, technologists, and economists to discuss digital money-related topics. According to AMB Crypto, following this development, there was some hike in the liquidity index as seen on the liquidity index bot, liquidity index for Bitstamp XRP/EUR, 84-day moving trend, for instance, witnessed a 29% surge. All these signs are just indicating a secure future for the payment company under the lawsuit by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. In a recent interview, CEO Brad Garlinghouse discussed how the SEC views crypto asset XRP compared to how financial regulators in other major countries view it. The United States, according to Brad, is the only country in the world that considers XRP a security. And you can also see that the Arab Fintech Group has named Ripple XRP, the company under the lawsuit, as the replacement for SWIFT. Just like that, other countries are also collaborating with Ripple despite the lawsuit because they do not consider XRP a security. According to Brad Garlinghouse, the company's CEO, despite Ripple's poor performance in the American market, other countries have recognized XRP as a currency, in the United Kingdom, Switzerland, Japan, the United Arab Emirates, and Singapore. The company is thriving. The CEO states, "If we want the US to be the leader in this new growing critical innovative industry, as the internet 20 years ago, we need that regulatory clarity. And the SEC is really just coming out and saying, we are going to file lawsuits, enforcement. We are not going to provide clear rules so that people know how to operate as other countries have done." Ripple teamed up with UK regulators to create its cross-border payment capabilities. In early 2017, Ripple made its debut in Singapore. Ripple and Tranglo took a significant step forward in their collaboration toward the end of 2021. RippleNet also partnered with SBI Remit Company Limited, Japan's largest money transfer company, and Coins.ph, one of the Philippines' largest mobile wallet providers, in 2021. The firm has a presence in the United Arab Emirates, or UAE, and Switzerland. The number of traders that have benefited from its creation continues to rise daily, and these are just a few examples. At this point, the company must have reached new heights, but there is a hindrance from the lawsuit. The lawsuit that is the cause of this all is still going on after a long time of more than a year. In December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple, alleging that XRP is a security because it was used to fund the company's platform, which allows businesses to send money. Executives at the platform were also rewarded with XRP sales as part of the deal. As reported by Cryptopolitan, the future of Ripple versus SEC case is uncertain, with both sides unsure as how it will turn out. Annalisa Torres, a federal judge in New York, unsealed some evidence, sending the cryptocurrency industry into a tailspin. The SEC has continued to employ underhanded tactics to impede the XRP lawsuit's progress. Despite this lawsuit, Ripple is continuously making progress, and as soon as the lawsuit is over, we are going to see a massive increase in the value of both Ripple and XRP. The current value is fluctuating between 78 cents and 81 cents. It has stayed on this level for weeks now. Over the last week, especially over the weekend, the price of XRP has performed exceptionally well. Despite the fact that the Sunday's price action nearly erased all of Saturday's gains, buyers have been very responsive to any dips in Ripple, raising concerns for new and existing short positions. According to the experts at FX Street, XRP price is currently below the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at 84 cents. This value has acted as the primary resistance level for XRP since the first falling below it at the beginning of January 2022. If bulls can close XRP price at or above the 84-cent level, the next stop is near the $1 value area. According to the CoinMarketCap at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 81 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.4 billion USD. XRP is up 0.51% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $39 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 48 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a great help to you. What do you think about the worldwide acceptance of Ripple in replacing Swift? Are we going to see this happen soon? Share your views in the comments section below. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.